There are some questions that are floating on your screen. Those are indirect speech. Can you convert them into indirect speech? I hope you would have done to know whether you have done it correctly or not. Stay tuned in the video. Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to learn 10 most common errors that we make while answering the questions related to direct and indirect speech. So are you ready? Then let's begin. He said her, I am happy. Can you convert it into indirect speech? Let me help you. He said her that he is or was happy. Which of these two words are correct? Is or was? Think about it. I hope you would have given the correct answer. The answer is he said her that he was happy. Now, why is it so? Because present simple changes to past simple in reported speech. Now, let me revise all those tenses related changes. Okay, so we will see now the tenses related changes while it comes to direct and indirect speech. You can see that present simple converts to past simple, present continuous converts to past continuous, present perfect converts to past perfect, present perfect continuous converts to past perfect continuous, simple past will convert to past perfect, past continuous will convert to past perfect continuous, and in future will be converted to will be converted to would be, and will have would be converted to would have. Okay, you may pause and take screenshot of it, and let's move on to the next mistake. Mistake number 2. Let's see the sentence. She said, I love my parents. Which of these words are correct in this sentence? She said that I or she love my or her parents. Which of these words are correct? Think about it. You may pause and solve from your end. I hope you would have solved the answer. The correct answer is she said that she loved her parents. So, what is the mistake here? Pronoun should change according to the subject of the reporting verb. Okay. As per the subject of the reporting verb, you have to change the pronoun. So here she is there. So here she will come. Okay. So this is the mistake number 2. Incorrect pronoun change. Now let me summarize it in this table. As you can see in this table, if the direct speech is there, how it will be converted? If I is there, he or she. We is there, they will. You is there, I, they, he or she, depending on the context. My is there, then his or her. Our is there, then their. Me, then him or her. Us, then them. Your, then my or their. These, those. This, that. Okay. So these are the changes. And always remember that formula which we had discussed in our previous video. Sun formula. Sun means S is subject, O is object, and N is no change. And what is it exactly? You would be remembering it. If not, then go to that video and check it out. So now, for now, just remember this changes. Let's look into the third mistake. So this is the third sentence. She said, close the door. Now the sentence is changing. Previously, we were just checking the statements. Now it's not a statement, it's a command. Now, she told or ordered me to close the door. Which one is correct? You may ignore this me for now. She told or ordered to close the door. What is the correct answer? The correct answer is she ordered me to close the door. Here, ordered will come. Use appropriate reporting verbs like requested, order, advise for commands and request. So this is the mistake number 3. Wrong reporting verb. Many times we don't use the correct reporting verb. So you have to think while writing into indirect speech, any of the statement or any of the command is there or question is there. Based on that, you have to write the reporting verb. So here said is there, but This is not a statement. This is a command. So for command, we are using ordered. If it was a request, then we would have used requested or advised. Like that, you have to use the reporting verb. Reporting verb change. So if it's a statement, then it will be converted like this. Said or told plus that. If it's a command, then in this way. Ordered plus object plus to plus infinitive. Negative command will be converted in this way. Request will be converted in this way, and exclamations like wow or hooray will be converted in this way. Said with excitement, said with regret. In this way, you have to convert the reporting verb. Okay, you may pause and again reread all of these changes. Okay, let's move on to the next mistake. This is the sentence. He said, I saw her yesterday. Now, this is indirect speech. He said that he had seen her yesterday or the day before yesterday. Think about it. What will be the correct answer? Yesterday or day before yesterday? You may pause and solve this question. The correct answer is he said that he had seen her the day before. Why? Because yesterday will be converted to the day before in indirect speech. This is the mistake number 4 that we do. We don't change the time expression. It is very important to change the time expression in reported speech. So always remember that you have to change the time expressions. So how will you change that? For that, I have created this table. Based on this table, you have to make the changes. Now will be converted to then, today will be converted to that day, yesterday will be converted to the day before, tomorrow will be converted to the next day, last night will be converted to the night before, last week the previous week, next week the following week, here there, this that, these those. So please remember these changes of time and places while conversion from direct to indirect speech. Okay, now let's move on to the next mistake. He said, I will help you. He said that he will or would help me. Which one is the correct here? I hope you would have guessed it. The correct answer is he said that he would help me. Why? Will change to would and can will be changed to could. So this is the mistake number 5. No change in modals. So many times what mistake we do, we will directly write he said that he will help me, but actually you have to change it. Will be would, and similarly can will be could, and in this way modals will change. So what are those changes? Let's see that. Will be converted to would, can will be converted to could, may will be might, shall will be would or should, must will be had to. So you may pause here and take this screenshot. Okay, let's move on to the next mistake. He asked, where is my book? Which will be the correct phrase here? Was his book or his book was? Think about it. You may think and share your answer in the comment, and then you may resume. So the correct answer is he asked where his book was. Why is it so? In reported questions, the subject comes before the verb. See, this will be the order subject, verb, and not verb, subject. So, here subject will come and then verb will come. Please note this. And this is the mistake number 6. No change in question structure. So, this mistake you have to avoid. Okay. Let's see the another mistake that we do. This is the sentence. He asked me, do you like coffee? You may pause and solve the answer, or you may take the help of this sentence. He asked, did, or if I liked coffee. Which one will be coming here? Did or if? I hope you would have guessed the answer. He asked if I liked the coffee. Use if or whether for yes no type of question. Please remember, whenever yes no type of question are coming, in that case, you can use if. Okay. So this is mistake number 7. forgetting if or whether in yes no type of questions. So to conclude 6 and 7 point, question structure changes will be like this. If WH questions are there, then WH word plus subject plus verb. And please remember this important point. No question mark will come. Many times we do this mistake also. We do a question mark. So you don't have to do that. And the another one is, if the yes no question is there, then if plus subject plus verb and no question mark. So these are the structural changes that you have to make while the question is in question form itself. Okay, let's move on to the next mistake. So this is the sentence. He said, let's go to the park. Okay, so the answer could be in this let's or suggested. What could be the answer? He said that let's or suggested going to the park. Which one will be the correct answer? The correct answer is he suggested going to the park. Why? Let's is reported as suggested plus verbs ing form or suggested that we should. In this way, you have to write whenever a question comes related to let's. Okay. So this is the mistake that we do. Incorrect conversion of let's. Okay. Now let's look into the next mistake. She said, I love this book. Can you convert it into indirect speech? She said that she loved this or that book. Which one will be the correct answer here? Think about it. She said that she loved that book, not this book. So what is this mistake? This will change to that and these will change to those. So this is the mistake number 9 that we do. No change in this and these. These are the words that will be changing in the reported speech. So you have to remember this. Okay. Now let's look into the next mistake. He said, don't touch that. So which one will be the correct answer here? He told me not to or don't touch that. Which one will be the correct? Think about it. So the correct answer is he told me not to touch that. Why? Because negative commands are reported as told plus not plus to plus infinitive. Okay? Told not to infinitive. So this is the mistake number 10. Incorrect negation in reported speech. So these were the 10 mistakes that you should avoid. Now, bonus question for you. The question is, she says, I love my parents. How will you convert this into indirect speech? Okay, let me give this hint. She tells that she loves or loved her parents. What will be the correct answer? The correct answer lies in the reporting verb. So this is the hint that I have given you. Can you guess the answer? I hope you would have guessed. The answer is she tells that she loves her parent. In my previous video of direct indirect speech, I got this question a lot. So the answer is tense will not change because reporting verb is in present tense. That's why loved will not come. Loves will come. Okay. So this is the mistake number 11. There is no need to change the tense if the reporting verb is in present tense. Okay. So these were the 11 mistakes. Now it's time for the exercise. The question is, he said, I love my daughter. What will be the correct answer? A or B? You may pause the video and solve this question and give your answer in the comment. I am waiting for your reply. I hope you would have given the answer. Thanks a lot for watching. To see all the videos related to direct indirect speech or tenses or active passive voice or subject verb agreement, which are the main 4 pillars of grammar, then please check the description of the video. All the best for your upcoming exams. I hope you will do well. Take care of your health. We will meet in the next video. Till then, goodbye.